Okay, so in this video, I want to call out two websites that stole a creative idea from me. Not only did they steal the idea, they stole the actual design. So I'm so happy I record this stuff because 5 days ago, okay, 5 days from November 28th. So on the 23rd of November, I recorded this video right here called using ChatGPT and DALL-E to create viral designs. Check this out. So it was 5 days ago, right? I recorded it. You can see me recording myself coming up with this idea. I gave ChatGPT the prompt. I end up getting this design. I'm like, all right, that's cool. But then I move on to this design. And then I discovered this design, okay, which is created right here in ChatGPT. And I go on to edit this design. You can see me actually editing the design myself, doing all the work. And then in real time, I come up with a slogan for it. You can hear me in this video. And I come up with this design called, I started off by saying the son of the buck, because I was going to say this is the son of the buck that got away, right? And then I go on in the video and change it to son of a buck and I don't give a and look at the design, the artwork, okay? So I go on TikTok or I go on YouTube today to do another video and I'm like, "Oh, I remember the design that I did." So I go on Google and I search for son of a buck shirt. I scroll down and I wanted to see was mine ranking, right? There was no other son of a buck shirts. I go down and I see this one. So I click on this one. I'm like, hold up, that's my design, but that's not my background on it. So I click on it and I'm like, who the heck is Ola Shirt? So Ola Shirt or LA Shirt or whatever you go by, you stole my design. Something that I came up with my own brain, my slogan and everything. You stole it verbatim. You stole my design. You stole it. And then they go on to say that this son of a buck is created by the design team. I guess I'm part of your design team then, because I created the shirt. I still have the original file inside of my Canva account right here. All of the words are movable, everything. The design is movable and everything. So I just wanted to call that out because if they're doing that with me, I guarantee you they're doing it with other stuff as well. I'm happy that you guys thought my design was good enough for you for your website, but you need to cut me in on this, okay? Or I'm gonna drop a video every single day until you admit that or until you take it down. And also look at this. There's another website called theageofmiraclesbook.com. No, the Age of Thieves. They stole my design as well. So I want you guys to understand that when you're putting stuff out there on the internet, people will steal your stuff. They will steal it. The ageofmiraclebook.com stole my stuff, and Ola Shirt stole my stuff as well. Let me go and look at the home page of this. The age of miracles. Come on, Karen Thompson. Really, Karen Thompson? Stealing my design? Is that how you create miracles? Okay, is that how you create miracles? I want to know. I want to know. Let me go back. There's my design right there on the t-shirt. And then let's see if they say they created it too. No, that was Ola Shirts. Hold on. Let's go back and see if are they claiming they created the shirt too? It says our secret to outstanding loans to long-lasting prints is to steal Robbie Cornelius's content. Wow, that's crazy. No, I'm just kidding. It says this son of a buck t-shirt that perfectly blends. Wow, crazy, 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 crazy. Call these guys up right here. They're in Ontario, Canada. Hit these guys up. There's their email address right here. Let's blow that thing up. I want y'all to email them and just say, just in the tag, say thieves. and then link to this image right here, because I created the design. I know this sounds like a little small thing to you guys, and it is small, but nobody wants to see their original design stolen verbatim. Like, they didn't change anything up about it at all. They just stole it. And I have the video to prove that I created it right here. I never heard of Son of a Buck before. I created it, and then I uploaded it to my Redbubble account, which now I'm being forced to I'm going to put watermarks all over my images now. But that's the shirt right here. This is my account on Redbubble. They took the design. I don't know how they got it so crystal clear, but they definitely did it. Maybe that's it right here. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. So I put this all over the shirt now. That's how they got it originally. They got it originally because of I didn't have these watermarks. Now I have these watermarks all over my designs now. And I would love to see. Let's see if this has a watermark over it as well. Would love to see you guys take out the time. Yeah, take out the time now to try to steal my designs. Go right ahead. Go right ahead. So y'all are the only two that I see now. Let me see if there's any more. Who else? Who else? Who else stole my design? Let's see who else. Burgers Tea. Oh, here's another one. Burgers Tea. They also stole my design. And it's weird because these websites all look like they were created by the same creator. But this one says they're in Delaware. Burgers Tea, thieves, stole my design. Word for word. Look at that. Design for design. I can tell you copied it too because it's light skin. You made my dear light skin. It's comical, but I want you guys to, message these guys and link to these images. Let them know they're thieves, and shame on you guys. Who else stole my design? Who else stole my design? Y'all done stole my design so much to my design itself is not even ranking. That's crazy, isn't it? My own design is not even ranking because all you guys stole it. Look at that. And let's go. Let's start a campaign. Let's see what else they've stolen. What else? What other stuff have they stolen from other people, from other creators? What other stuff? What have you stolen? Looks good. It looks good. Man, that would be great if you actually came up with it. Go let these guys know they're thieves.